What's really holding you back from reaching your fitness goals? Is it your workout routine, your diet, or could it be something deeper? The truth is, the biggest barrier might actually be your mindset. Your thoughts and beliefs can either fuel your success or keep you stuck in the same cycle. In this video, we're diving into 7 powerful mindset shifts that can completely transform your fitness journey. If you're ready to break through those mental blocks and unlock real progress, let's get started. Number 1, embrace progress over perfection. One of the biggest mistakes people make when starting their fitness journey is chasing perfection. It's easy to think you need flawless workouts, a strict diet, or 0 slip-ups to succeed. But here's the truth. Perfection is unrealistic, and aiming for it often leads to frustration, burnout, or even giving up altogether. Instead, focus on progress. Small, consistent improvements are far more powerful than striving for an impossible standard. Maybe today, you do 1 extra push-up, drink more water, or take a 10-minute walk. These little wins build momentum over time. Each step forward, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goals. Don't let minor setbacks discourage you. Skipping a workout or enjoying a treat doesn't mean you've failed, it means you're human. What truly matters is getting back on track and continuing to move forward. Remember, fitness isn't about perfection. It's about showing up, doing your best, and making progress one day at a time. Let go of the need to be perfect, and you'll find success becomes much more achievable and enjoyable. Number 2, view challenges as opportunities. Challenges are an inevitable part of any fitness journey. You might face days when your motivation is low, workouts feel tougher than usual, or life just gets in the way. Instead of seeing these moments as failures, start viewing them as opportunities for growth. Every challenge is a chance to build mental and physical strength. For example, missing a workout isn't the end of your progress. It's a moment to reflect and adjust your schedule. Struggling to lift a heavier weight? It's not a defeat. It's an opportunity to improve your form, build endurance, and get stronger over time. Obstacles are simply signs that you're pushing your limits, and that's where true growth happens. When you face a challenge, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? Shifting your mindset from frustration to curiosity helps you stay motivated and persistent. Remember, every setback is setting you up for a stronger comeback. Stay committed, and every challenge will become a stepping stone toward success. Number 3, cultivate self-compassion. It's easy to be your own harshest critic, especially when things don't go as planned. Maybe you skipped a workout, gave in to cravings, or didn't see the results you were hoping for. But being hard on yourself doesn't help. It actually slows your progress. That's why practicing self-compassion is so important on your fitness journey. Self-compassion means treating yourself with kindness and understanding, just like you would support a friend who's struggling. It's okay to make mistakes. What matters is how you respond. Instead of thinking, I failed, try saying, it's okay. Tomorrow is a new chance to try again. This small shift in thinking can help you bounce back faster and keep you on track. Being kind to yourself doesn't mean making excuses. It means acknowledging that you're human. Progress isn't always linear, and setbacks are normal. By showing yourself grace and patience, you'll develop a healthier mindset and build the resilience needed to stay committed to your goals. Number 4, develop a growth mindset. A growth mindset is the belief that your abilities can improve with effort, learning, and persistence. It's the opposite of a fixed mindset, where people believe they're stuck with the skills they were born with. In fitness, having a growth mindset can be the difference between giving up and pushing forward. Instead of thinking, I'm just not good at this, try reframing it to, I can get better with practice. This change in thinking empowers you to tackle new challenges head-on and embrace the learning process. Struggling with running? View it as an opportunity to build endurance over time. Can't lift heavy weights yet? That just means you have room to grow. Every fitness goal takes time, effort, and patience. When you approach challenges with a growth mindset, setbacks won't feel like failures. They'll feel like valuable lessons. This mindset helps you stay motivated and open to improvement, making your journey not just about reaching a goal, but about enjoying the process of getting stronger and better every day. Number 5. Prioritize consistency over intensity. Many people believe that pushing themselves to the limit every day is the fastest way to see results. But in reality, consistency beats intensity every time. You don't need to work out for hours or completely overhaul your diet overnight. Small, consistent actions create lasting change. Think of it this way. A 15-minute walk every day will bring more long-term benefits than an intense 2-hour workout you only manage once a week. Why? Because habits are built through regular repetition, not occasional bursts of effort. When you're consistent, you build momentum, and that momentum keeps you going even when motivation fades. The key is to create a routine that fits your lifestyle and feels manageable. It could be short daily workouts, preparing healthy meals in advance, or setting aside time for stretching. Over time, these small actions add up to big results. Remember, fitness isn't a sprint. It's a marathon. Prioritize showing up regularly, and you'll be amazed at how far you can go. Number 6. Focus on what you can control. It's easy to get caught up in things beyond your control, genetics, past mistakes, or comparing your progress to others. But focusing on what you can't control only leads to frustration. The real power comes from directing your energy toward what is within your control, your actions, your mindset, and your attitude. You can't change your genetics, but you can control how often you exercise, what foods you choose to eat, and how you respond to challenges. You might not always have control over your schedule, but you can choose to prioritize movement whenever possible. Letting go of things you can't control allows you to focus on what truly matters, your effort and commitment. This mindset not only reduces stress, but also helps you stay motivated no matter what obstacles arise. By taking responsibility for your actions and focusing on the factors you can influence, you'll feel more empowered and capable of making real, lasting progress. Number 7. Find joy in the journey. One of the most powerful ways to stay committed to your fitness journey is to find joy in the process. Too often, people approach fitness with a no pain, no gain mentality, which can make exercise feel like a punishment rather than something enjoyable. But when you focus on activities that bring you happiness, staying consistent becomes much easier. Maybe you love dancing, hiking, swimming, or playing a sport. Whatever it is, make it a part of your routine. You're far more likely to stick with fitness if it feels fun and rewarding. Celebrate your achievements along the way, no matter how small. They're all signs of progress. Enjoying your journey doesn't mean you won't face challenges, but it does mean those challenges won't feel like a burden. When you find joy in the process, fitness becomes less about the end goal and more about feeling good in the present moment. And that's the secret to creating a sustainable, lifelong commitment to your health. Your fitness journey isn't just about physical strength. It's about transforming your mindset. By embracing these 7 powerful shifts, you'll build resilience, stay motivated, and find joy in the process. Remember, every small step forward counts. Stay consistent, be kind to yourself, and focus on progress, not perfection. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay strong and stay positive.